Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding Taletiya. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use cursor in for loop. In previous video I have discussed about how you can use cursor in simple loop. In this video I am retrieving all the data from the table using cursor with for loop. See how we can do it. So I am writing all my code in Visual Studio Code, and here I am creating one file that's name is root7.sql. So here I am creating declare section, next begin, and last end section. So I am declaring a cursor here, cursor, and cursor name will be erect. Each select statement, so I am showing you my table, that's data, select, so guys this is the data in my EMP table. So I am retrieving all the data using cursor with for loop. So here we have created one cursor erect and storing all the data of EMP table into erect. So we can displaying all the record one by one. So we can use a for loop, and here I am taking variable that is I. When we are working with for loop, we not need to declare this I variable in declare section. It will be automatically declare here. So for I in my cursor name, that is erect, and here we need to start loop and end loop. So here no need to write any exit code statement, because for loop when the data is empty and no record after in a cursor, then it will be exit automatically. So here I am displaying all the data dbms. So here we need to remove this erect and replace it with I, because we need to write here I dot empno, let's it is I dot column name of table. So it will be display all the data of table. So this is the our code of cursor with for loop. Let's run this code. So here I have to copy a path of this file and comment it and run this code. So let's clear this screen before the run this code. So here you can see that the data will be displayed perfectly. This is the EMP number, name, designation, and all the thing. You can modify DBMS output print statement as your requirement. You can use LPAD, RPAD for formatting the display. It's all depend on you. So only for this today guys. If you like my video, then click on like button, and you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you have any suggestion and doubt, then comment that suggestion and doubt in my comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.